Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. This is Mactan Cebu International Airport. Right now 2:15 p.m. Our goal is today we like to reach Pandayan Island. For that we need to reach Hagna Airport before 6:30 p.m. because 6:30 p.m. the last ferry leave from Hagna Airport to Pandayan Island. We don't have much time. We took a taxi to Cebu North Bus Terminal. It cost us 600 pesos. It took 10 minutes to reach this place. This is the SM North Bus Terminal. For the Agnayan Port, 250 pesos for the bus ticket. When we reach the Hagna Port, it is 6:45 p.m. We missed the last ferry. So we decided to eat the dinner right now. We order rice, lumpia spring roll, spicy chicken adabo, pork belly and scrambled egg with Pepsi. All this thing cost me 280 pesos. Even though we missed the ferry, we stuck one night in Hagnaya Port. But the luck on our side, they have a Sinilog festival performance that night. It was very beautiful. In life, not everything going to happen according to our plan. Either way, we enjoy the time in Hagnaya Port. The people are very happy, at the same time very talented. Since one night we have to spend over there, we found a place. There is a house. They're renting their room. There is no name board. This is the total damage of the day. It cost us 2,580 pesos for two of us. For the room, it costs 1,200 pesos. For me, it's fine because we are two of us. The room is fully air conditioned. Such a simple room that is more than enough for us to stay tonight. Basic toilet and bathroom. There is no hot water. For a day, we can manage it. No problem with that. The rooms comes with a balcony, so you can enjoy the sunset and sunrise from here. The next day morning, 10:30 a.m. I got the ticket. It is 300 pesos for the ticket, 25 pesos for the terminal fee, total 325 pesos per person. The Hagna Airport waiting area is very beautiful and nice. There is no doubt about it. Lot of sitting area with the TV, fully air conditioned. It is 11:30 a.m. We are moving from the port. The total travel time is 2 hours. 1:30 p.m. we reached Santa Fe Pandayan Port. Today is a cloudy day, not that much sunlight. We haven't even booked the hotel. We are going to find the hotel after this. We found a place. It is Northville Beach Resort. Per day 1,200 pesos. It is a basic room. Here we stay 3 nights. The place was quite nice. This resort have a own private beach. Keep one thing in mind. The reception open only 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. After that, nobody will be in the reception. In Pandayan Island, most of the resort the same situation. So late check-in in this place not going to happen. You have to be there before 6 p.m. Then only you can check in. They have a very beautiful beachfront area and the swing, couple of chairs to relax. They keep clean the place every morning, which is nice. Here you can see the Santa Fe port which we came through. From there, it take only 10 minutes walk, reach this resort. Look at that. We took a drone shot. Right now, almost 3:30 p.m. It is a very cloudy day. Me and my brother decided to walk along the beach to Kota Beach. Everyone should do that. From our resort to Kota Beach, it is 20 minutes walk. The walk was very pleasant. It's very nice. Me and my brother have a great time talking a lot of nonsense and walk from there. Kota Beach is the only beach for public open for 24 hours. There is no entrance fee. At the same time, you have a free Wi-Fi. This Kota Beach is the one of the famous place in Santa Fe in Bantayan Island. Most of the tourists stay in this area. After the walk, me and my brother got hungry, so we went to MJ Square to have a dinner. This is a famous and popular place to have dinner. This street have a very good bar and restaurant. At the same time, so many different kinds of restaurants available. I like to take a walk through the street. Now almost like 6 p.m. This place lit very well. You can see different kinds of restaurant. Depends upon your appetite and budget. You can find food over here. In this street, you have a textile stores, pharmacies, everything available over here. Even you have a resort type of deal with a bar and restaurant. Some of the place you can choose a live seafood. They will cook for you on the spot. This is the souvenir shop in the street. It's very nice. It's only 250 to 300 pesos. This is the place we had a dinner. Look at the place. The place was very huge, but not much customer. It's really nice. They maintained very well, but unfortunately, the crowd only in the weekend. In the weekdays, less customers. Even though less customer, they put all the lights like a festival and looks so great. This is the restaurant. We ordered food. It cost us 700 pesos. We had a great dinner over here. There is no doubt about it. The food was great. Seafood fried rice, butter chicken, and omelette with a Coca-Cola. The damage of the day, 3,100 pesos, including breakfast, lunch and dinner. On the third day, we went on island hopping. The first place we visited, Hilandangan Island. It was a beautiful island. Here you can do snorkeling, but in the snorkeling there not much coral available right now. Maybe after 5 years. If you skip the snorkeling, you didn't lose anything. But the island was very beautiful. The water was crystal clear and the formation of the island is very fantastic. We had a great time over there. The second place we visited, Virgin Island. This is the number one island to visit when I go to BANTAYAN Island. This island have a 200 pesos entrance fee. They give you a band. That band you have to wear all the time. The back side of the island really beautiful, but there is no access to that place. Lucky enough, I got the drone, so I got the shot. It is really fantastic. And there is another plus point to this island. You can do the cliff jumping. The cliff jumping was really awesome. I recommend everyone for try this. It is almost like 10-meter jump. I really enjoyed it. Apart from that, this island have so many wave decks. We spend most of the time in this island. Such a beautiful place. You should not miss it. The next place we went, Baigat Lagoon/beach. This is such a unique place. You have a lagoon and the beach on the side by side. This place have a restaurant called Liquido by the Sea. Currently, it is not fully operation because they're doing some construction. They're building the swimming pool by the restaurant. Maybe after 5 months, this place offer you a lot of things. On the side note, this place have an entrance fee for 200 pesos per person. Please keep that on your mind. And that day, we eat the food in this place. We have a encho fried rice, garlic chicken and fried egg. The total damage of the day, 5,260 pesos. This is the most expensive day when we are there because of the private boat for island hopping and the entrance fee for the island and the lagoon. On the day 4, we do the land tour. We took a tricycle and visit 5 places for the day. The first place is a Kota Beach. This Kota Beach everyone should visit. The place was very beautiful. This is the only public beach you can access 24 hours in BANTAYAN Island. At the same time, the beach is good for sunset and sunrise. Sunset from here, absolutely fantastic. There is no doubt about it. It was kept very clean. At the same time, you have a free Wi-Fi. This is the more safest place in BANTAYAN Island. Lot of resort and bars are available and very good for beach walk. The next place we visited, it is called Ruins. This mansion built in 90s, which belongs to German citizen. The guy who built this mansion abandoned this building, went to Germany, never come back. Almost like 35 years, the typhoon and the climate changed this place. Now only you can see the walls are standing, no windows, no roof, and the local draw some graffitis. Now look like a famous tourist spot whoever come to the Bantayan Island. This place also have a cliff jumping. You go after 4 p.m. so you can enjoy the cliff jumping in high tide. Bring lot of water over there. There is no shades available nearby. If you want to take a rest, you need to go to the Greek restaurant which is located opposite on the road. The next place we visited, Sandira Beach. The Sandira Beach and the Paradise Beach located side by side, which is beautiful. The beach was very fantastic. The water was very cold and nice. This beach have an entrance fee 70 pesos per person. One thing you should keep in mind, this beach located very far from the main road, so the beach open only 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. In my opinion, you should reach the beach before 3 p.m. Then you can see the sunset. You can leave from there. For the safety reason, I won't recommend anyone spend overnight over there because it is very far from the main road. All these videos I detailedly explain in my channel how to go there, what to do. Please check out my channel for the longer video. The next place we visit, Mangrove Garden. It is such a wonderful place. You can see they maintained very well. At the same time, this place offers local handcraft souvenirs. Look at that. The entrance looks so good. This place looks maze made out of mangrove trees and very good for bird watching. In my opinion, I've seen so many mangrove garden in the Philippines. This is the number one spot for mangrove garden. After that, we went to the Kota Park, which is located the north side of the island. This place have a unique viewpoint which is good for sunrise and sunset. At the same time, this park have a boardwalk. It reminds me Siargao boardwalk. This is a very good place for relaxing your evening and spending on the boardwalk. And the highlight of the location is this place have a very beautiful lighthouse. The park itself have a lot of cottage. You can spend a quality time with your family. The total damage of the day 3,270 pesos. For the land tour, we gave 1,000 pesos. Here I add 1,150 pesos for returning ferry and the bus to Cebu. So the total damage was 15,360 pesos. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon.